Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make PayPal for your LLC. First, ensure your LLC is officially registered and has an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. You will also need a dedicated business bank account. Gather all your legal documents, including your articles of organization, before starting the online application. This preparation streamlines the entire setup process significantly, saving you time and potential headaches later on. To proceed, you'll need to provide your LLC's Employer Identification Number, a crucial identifier for tax purposes. Next, upload copies of your official LLC formation documents, such as your Articles of Organization or Certificate of Formation. Finally, link a separate business bank account to your PayPal profile. This ensures clear separation of personal and business finances, which is vital for legal and accounting compliance. After submitting your documents, PayPal will initiate a verification process to confirm your business identity. This often involves small deposits to your linked bank account, which you'll need to verify. Once confirmed, you can customize your account settings, including preferred payment methods and notification preferences. This step ensures your PayPal business account is fully operational and tailored to your specific operational needs. Regularly monitor your PayPal transactions and reconcile them with your accounting records to maintain financial accuracy. Be aware of PayPal's transaction fees, typically around 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction for standard online payments. Utilize the platform's robust invoicing and reporting tools to streamline your financial management. Staying organized helps you track income and expenses efficiently for your LLC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.